Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Again today bringing you the reading for next week, that is Monday the 4th till the Sunday, that is the 10th. This is the 4th of October till the 10th of October. So we'll go ahead and start with our reading, but before that, like I always tell you, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So please go ahead and like my page there too. So let's start with the reading. Today I am going to do a little different reading. Of course, I am going to do all the sign, the reading for all the signs. But I am also going to pick up one angel guidance card for all the sign individually. So you can come to know exactly what the angels are trying to tell you, or what does the angel guidance for you is. So let's go ahead and start with the first sign, and that is the sign Aries. So 3 cards I'm going to pick up for Aries sign. Okay, I hope everyone is fine, healthy and doing well. So 3 cards I'm going to pick up for people born under the sign Aries. I'm going to pick up one angel guidance card for them. These are the angel guidance cards. So let's see, pick up one angel guidance card for people born under the sign Aries. Okay, so that's done. Let's see what the cards have to say. Okay, I'll start where your relationship are concerned. Definitely a very good week for you, Aries people. You are going to connect to new people, a new relationship is coming your way, or if you are having problems in your relationship, this is the week where you will find a good change, a good positive you can say result out of the relationship that is not working, where you're also the card is guiding me where the relationship is concerned. There are a lot of people who wants to connect to you. There are a lot of people who wants to have a relationship with your you can say like you, or want to care for you and everything, but you yourself somewhere is not welcoming or open to that relationship. So Aries people, this week try to be a little open and make new friends, or please welcome new relationship in your life if there are chances that they are coming, because it is a very positive week for you where your relationship are concerned. So please be open for the relationship coming to you. Also, I do see a little bit of obstacles coming your way where your career is concerned, where your growth is concerned this week, but you are a fighter. So somewhere you are going to fight it. So I don't see any problem coming to you this week, because as you are a fighter, you are going to fight for things that actually is not right. So there will be a little bit of argument, there will be a little bit of fight, but it is for the right reason, and you being a fighter is going to go ahead and resolve whatever the issue is. Your health is concerned, just a little bit of tension that will build up because of the arguments, the fight and everything. Otherwise everything looks fine for you. So relationship, super week for you. Be open to the relationship. Health wise also looks fine, a little bit of stress here and there. Career looks good, but there might be some arguments, there might be something that you might not like, and you would argue or fight for those things. And but being a fighter and being so positive, you will go through that in a very easy way. It shouldn't cause you any kind of problems. What does the angel guidance say for people born under Aries? Unlikely. So somewhere you are expecting something to happen this week, maybe some good news coming your way, or maybe something that is you have been expecting, some finance coming your way, or some interviews, or some things that you were wishing would come to you this week. But the angel guidance says that there are chances it will not come this week. So just stay patient. It will surely come to you, but not this week. Let's go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. and one angel card for people born under the sign Taurus. That's the card. So let's see what this week. Somewhere where Taurus people are concerned, I see some kind of wait. You have been waiting for very long for some good news to come your way or something, but there are chances that that wait will still go on. This is not the week where you will receive that, so just be little patient. Okay, where your relationship are concerned, they are going to be normal. I don't see like too good or too bad kind of a week where relationship are concerned. Yes, definitely, if I tell all the female subscribers, there are chances that a handsome maybe a man coming in your life, so there are chances that you might meet someone good this week. This is just basically for the female subscribers who are, or people who are watching this video and who are female basically. So for them, this week is going to bring them a handsome dude, you can say, or some man in their life. So but yes, definitely for the people under the Taurus sign, there is a wait where your career is concerned, where your work is concerned. So you will also have to wait, have patience this week to just wait and see and watch what will be coming to you in the other weeks. Also, where relationships are concerned, in general, if I see, it is something like you have made so many friends and you have so many people around you taking care of you. You are not concerned about them. So this is the week where you are very much happy in whatever friends or whatever relation you have. You are not trying hard enough to go ahead and make friends or meet new people. So this week is going to be a little slow for you guys. You are just going to enjoy with whatever you have. You are not going to try anything new this week. Also, yes, I do see a growth in your education. You might learn something new. You might try to learn something new, or you might join a course, or you might join some kind of further studies kind of a thing. More knowledge will be acquired by you this week, so just keep an eye on it. Health looks normal. Health is not a problem at all. Now we'll go ahead and see the guidance that is given to you by the angels. See, it says, the angels says choose a new direction. So somewhere the angels are guiding you, telling you to try to explore this week, try to take new things in hand, or try to check out things that you have never explored before. So this is the week to try things that you have never explored before, or some things that you're scared of. Go out and try it. You never know, it might be very exciting or very helpful sometimes to you. So that's what the angels are telling you. So now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. And 1 angel card for them. Let's see what the guidance from the angels are. Okay, where the sign Gemini is concerned, I do see opportunities coming your way. I see career wise also, you might get job offers, you might get promotion in career, but there is definitely a new thing or new opportunities will be coming to you in this week. You also have to be very, very careful about some negativity that will be surrounded by you, because you will be showing that growth and that kind of work this week, that everyone is going to appreciate you, everyone is going to see your work, how good you are at work. So there will be negative people who will be around you and might cause some problem or something. So try to stay protected where that is concerned. Also, there will be some mood swings coming your way, some emotional setbacks, some kind of energy drain kind of thing coming, mood swings coming your way. So just be careful where your health is concerned. Yes, definitely a little bit of depression, little bit of sadness, little bit of mood swings that you might have to worry about. Relationship is okay, nothing great. Career wise, yes, opportunities you are going to get this week. Health, like I told you, just a little bit of stress, nothing much. Finance looks fine. I don't see any too bigger growth or a loss where your finance is concerned. Let's see what angel guidance has for you. For Gemini, take action. So what the angels are trying to tell you here is somewhere you are thinking about some things you want to do or some things that needs to be taken care of. You have been kind of thing ignoring it, or we'll do it later on kind of attitude. So please go ahead and finish that work. Take that work and finish it. Take an action. Okay, whatever it is. Sometimes what happens is when we are in a relationship, there is that distance that comes between two people, and the other one waits for the other one, in the sense to come and say something, or maybe a sorry or a thank you, whatever they are waiting for. But we expect a lot from other people, and we don't go ahead and do that. So if that is pending on your side, go ahead and say a sorry if it's needed, or a thank you if it's needed, or even I love you if that is the thing that is needed. So take action. It can be in a relationship, it can be even in a career where you are trying to not take action where your work is concerned. So taking action is in every field of your life. So please go ahead and do whatever is pending and you feel needs to be taken care this week. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer, and 1 angel guidance card for them. 1 angel guidance card for them. Okay, let's see. For people born under the sign of Cancer, there is a lot of finance card has come in the spread. So you are going to receive some good financial news coming your way. So there is a growth in your finance that is showing, definitely a growth in the sign of finance. It's showing. Plus the relationship is concerned, a beautiful relationship is coming your way in this week. There are chances you will meet new people, new relationship is going to build up. You might find a person, you might meet a person whom you will connect with this week. There is a growth in your career, a very fast growth that is coming this week in your career. So be ready for it, because you are going to have that energy and that positivity to move ahead. So that energy you are going to feel this week, people born under Cancer, and that positivity in you is going to be there this week to move ahead in where your career is concerned. Health looks fine. I don't see any problems where your health are concerned. So now let's go ahead and see what the angels guidance for you is. It says remain positive. So that's what you are going to do this week. Remain positive, and with that positivity and energy you are going to move ahead. So always, if a little bit of negativity, or if there is some people who try to talk negativity to you come your way, try to just ignore them and be positive and move forward with the energy and the stamina that you have to move ahead where your career is concerned. So you will be positive this week. A lot of positive attitude, a lot of positive things happening with you in this week. Now we'll go ahead and pull 3 cards for Leo. We are pulling 3 cards for Leo and 1 angel guidance again. Let's see. For the people born under the sign Leo, again, where your relationship are concerned, yes, definitely there is going to be a family gather. There is going to be a lot of fun. There is going to be people around you, and you are going to meet new people, especially you are going to meet your grandparents, maybe your grandfather, grandmother, a lot of that kind of way, the whole family, you can say. So it's going to be really fun week for you this week. There is also growth, a moment of growth that is showing, though it's not a great growth moving fast, but yes, there is a growth showing, some kind of growth coming your way where your career is concerned this week. So be ready for that. Also traveling, definitely traveling is there this week, where you will go meet new family, new people, maybe your friends, but definitely family get together is going to happen to you this week, and you are going to be in the very happy stage and a very positive stage this week. Health looks fine because you want to stay happy. It's a very positive week for you. Travel is definitely there this week. Finance looks okay. I don't think so there is any too much of finance or too less of a finance. So finance is okay. Health is very happy. You're going to be happy. So health is not a problem. Career growth definitely seen. Okay. Now angel guidance for you. Don't stop. So what are angels trying to tell you? Whatever intuitive feelings you get, whatever gut feeling that you get, okay, I want to go ahead and do this. Don't stop yourself. Go ahead and do it this week. The universe is going to give you the signs. The angels are going to guide you. So don't stop. Whatever feeling you have, or whatever work that you have been delaying, because you are in that confused stage, just go ahead with it, because the universe is giving you a message. The angels are giving you a message that don't stop, go with it. So that's Leo. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. So 3 cards I'm going to do for Virgo. And 1 angel guidance for people born under the sign Virgo. So that's 1 card. Okay, where Virgo people are concerned, I see this week there is a little burden, stress coming your way where your work is concerned. So just be ready for it. It's just that stress from work or workplace that is going to come your way, and you might feel stressed and worried this week a little. Also where relationship are concerned, I don't know, I do see some kind of sad moment coming your way where your relationship are concerned. There is a sign of maybe a setback or a depression where your relationship are concerned, because whatever you have been expecting is not going to come your way this week. So there is going to be that moment of little bit of sadness, little bit of depression where your relationships are, if you think about your relationship. Health is because of this too much burden and emotions. There is going to be some kind of little issues where your health is concerned, just minor issues like a headache or maybe a head pain, or maybe you might catch cold or sinus or that kind of effect. You might have this week where your health is concerned. Money definitely coming your way this week. Finance growth is seen, so money from somewhere will come to you this week. So be ready for it. Let's see what the angel guidance is for Virgo people. No need to worry. So Virgo people, if you are right now have tension or worry about your work or about your relationship or anything like that, the angels are guiding you not to worry, because they have some very positive answers for you ready to come to you. So whatever you are in stress or tension right now, release your tension. Don't worry about your tension, because a positive outcome is waiting for you. So that's it for Virgo. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. Let's see what Libra has to say. 3 cards for Libra. And 1 angel guidance card for them. So people born under the Libra sign, definitely a travel is coming your way. I see a travel. So you are going to make a small travel, There is an issue where this week there will be some kind of financial imbalance happening to you, in the sense that you might have to juggle with your finance. Maybe you have the money, you need to keep it in an investment, or you have a money that you need to put it in a safe way. How to deal with the money you have, or if the money is coming or if the money is going, how are you going to handle it? So this is the week to think about that. And definitely a travel. There is going to be a little bit of burden coming your way this week too. So there will be a little bit of stress and burden. You might be tired, you might be drained, you might be, it is something that you might try to do all at one time, and you will take that burden. If you don't take the burden also, it's going to come to you naturally, because it's going to be that kind of a week for you. Also, you have to be very, very careful about people who are going to argue with you, or are going to have a fight with you, or some other arguments is going to come your way. So just stay away from those kind of people, and so that kind of argument doesn't come your way. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any problem with your health, but you will be taking too much stress this week. So just be very, very careful about stress related issue. Also, finance looks fine. Nothing to worry about. Definitely a travel coming your way. Be very, very careful about the people around you, the negative people around you, because it is going to cause you some argument or fight. Let's see what guidance card for Libra is. This is success. So somewhere, if you are planning to do something, or have taken a new project, or are you into a new relationship and thinking to move forward in your relationship, it is going to be a success this week. The angels will be there for you, guiding you to the right direction. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. People born under the sign Scorpio. People born under the sign of Scorpio, just you have to be very, very careful this week where your relationship is concerned. See, it is something like you have so many people who care for you, who likes you, and are really worried about you, so you have very caring people around you, and there are more people who wants to be friends with you, who wants to have your company, but somewhere you have stop them. So this week is something where you just don't want anyone to be at your side, and just like something like leave me alone kind of attitude is going to come this week. Also, because of that reason, being alone, there is chances that some kind of depression or some kind of sorrow or some kind of news like that might come to you this week. So just be a little bit careful about it. There is nothing that we can do about it, but yes, surely we can take it as it comes. Also, where finance is concerned, I see a finance, but somewhere your finance is stuck somewhere. This week is also somewhere where you will feel that your finance is stuck somewhere and it's not coming to you. So that kind of feeling is still going to be there. Definitely growth will be there, but right now it is stuck in one place. There is no growth where your finance is concerned. Your career looks fine. It is going to be the way it is going to be, but just be very, very careful about your depression, your sadness, or the mood swings that is coming this week, because it might affect your work as well as your relationship. So just take care of it. Your health, yes, depression is coming. So something related to stress, depression, that kind of health issues might prompt up this week. Otherwise, your week is fine. Just be positive and something good will come your way. Also, let's see what the angel guidance card have to tell about you. It says ask your angels. So somewhere when this week is going to be a little difficult for you, just ask for help. Ask for help and it will be given to you. That's how the angels work. Unless you ask for help, they will not come and help you. Trust them, ask for help wherever you feel stuck, wherever you feel depressed, or wherever you feel alone. Ask your angels to show you the signs that they are around you and they are there for you. So this is the week where your angels will come to your help when you ask for it, and will be around you to protect you and help you out. So now 3 cards for Sagittarius. Quick 3 cards and 1 angel card for them. So 1 angel card for them. Let's go ahead and so people born on the sign Sagittarius, you will be meeting new people, your grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, extended family, the whole joint family is this week where you will meet all of them. Also, I do see this week there will be a total new beginning for you coming. There will be something where your work is also concerned, or your relationship is concerned, something that you're trying to look for something new. So this is something where your career is concerned. There are chances that you might totally quit that work or quit that business or quit that job, and a new opening will start for you. It can be in your career, it can be in your relationship. So maybe if you are not happy in a relationship, or if the relationship is not working, then there are chances that that relationship might have a cut, and then you might move ahead to a totally new relationship. Burden definitely is coming to you this week. Just be very, very careful where your stress level is concerned, because you have been taking a lot of burden. You will be taking a lot of burden this week, because maybe a start of new thing, or maybe a total new start coming your way. Also, what the angels have to tell you is this is not the right time to go ahead and try something that you haven't tried before, kind of a thing. So if you are thinking of doing something new, or doing something that is you don't understand about it, it's not your cup of tea, please don't go ahead and try that thing this week, because you won't have success. This is not the right time to go ahead and try something that you don't understand, or you don't know about anything about it. So that's it for Sagittarius. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. For the people born under the sign of Capricorn, I see I see a financial condition getting stuck this week. There are chances that you are planning to get something, or you were expecting some kind of financial growth this week, but I do see a blockage coming your way somewhere. The cards are suggesting and telling you to donate something, feed the poor, or maybe feed the poor, or donate something to the poor. There are chances that obstacle might be removed by doing that kind of deed. So if you can try and do that, that would be wonderful. Your financial growth, like I told you, is on stop, or you can say stuck at one place, kind of a thing. It's not moving ahead, it is waiting to move ahead, kind of a thing. So it's better that you donate something to the poor, or feed the poor. There definitely will be a chance of a financial movement ahead. Where your health is concerned, you're taking a lot of stress, or there's a lot of stress going to come to you in this week. So try to take care of yourself, because there is a lot of tension that you have been taking, and that tension still follows this week. So be very, very careful with your health. Career looks fine. I don't see any growth or anything that is negative where your career is concerned. Health, definitely, I told you have to be very, very careful, because you're taking a lot of stress this week. Financial condition, growth is stagnant, but definitely a forward movement will happen. Relationship looks normal. It is a normal relationship this week. I don't see any good or bad thing coming to you. Also, where angel guidance card is concerned, it's saying forgiveness. So somewhere doing a good deed of donating the poor people, feeding them, and asking for forgiveness, or for the people whom you have hurt before, or ask for forgiveness for the people you have hurt before. Tell the universe that, please forgive me for whatever I have done to hurt any kind of people. I ask for your forgiveness, and forgive the people who have hurt you in some way. Forgiveness is the best medicine. So just forgive the people. That way you will be at peace, and they will be at peace. So that's it for Capricorn. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. 3 cards for Aquarius. If I see 3 cards for Aquarius people, a sudden change is coming. Maybe not a good one this week. There will be a change that you might have to compulsory take it. You won't be left with a choice this week. So just go ahead and do whatever. Just go with the flow. Okay, definitely this week, yes, that kind of situation is going to arise. That part, you just go with the flow is fine. But then it also is giving a card where you will be blessed this week. Anything you take up or anything you want to do, this is a very good week for you, where relationships are concerned, career is concerned, or your health is concerned. So you don't have to worry about it. Yes, when the change comes to you, it is going to be a sudden change, and a change that you might not like, but it might work out better for your betterment, because the card says that you are going to be blessed this week with the finance, the career, and your health. And definitely the growth is seen this week, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, one angel card, angel guidance for people born under the sign Aquarius. It says no. So Aquarians, if you have a question in mind, or if you are getting confused with a question in mind, or you have a question in mind, should I do this or should I not do this? Should I go ahead with this relationship or should I not go with the relationship? So whatever your question is, or whatever you're confused about, the angels are saying this is not the right time to go ahead. So the answer is a no. Now, quick 3 cards for Pisces. For the people born under the sign Pisces, I do see a traveling coming your way. You will travel to meet your family. There is going to be a lot of people around you this week, where you are going to meet your grandparents, your kind of a joint family. If you are into the joint family, there are chances you are going to meet every one of them, and you are going to travel to meet them. So relationship is going to be good, because you're going to meet new people, you're going to meet the old people, and you're going to meet your joint family or your extended family, and it is going to be a very happy moment for you. Also, where your career is concerned, I don't see any much growth. It's going to be the same it's been. Health wise, you are going to be happy, so there is no problem where your health is concerned. Yes, just be very, very careful about the negativity or the negative people around you, because somewhere this week the happiness, the positivity is going to be seen on your face, and people are going to envy that, people are going to be jealous of it. So just be very, very careful where the negative people are concerned. This negative people can affect your career if you let them affect it. But the career wise, I don't see any problems coming, but just stay away from negative people. So for health is concerned, I don't see any problems. Relationship, definitely a growth, or you're going to meet people, so definitely a happy moment. Finance looks the same, and if you see the career remains the same. Just be very, very careful about the negative people around you. Stay protected. One angel guidance card for them, it says there's something better. So whatever you are asking the angels, just close your eyes, ask the angel, is this the right thing for me, or is this the right thing for me? Or if there is a confusion going in your mind right now, or this week, there's something better. So it's saying, wait, this is not the right time, wait for something better that is going to come to you. So just wait. So that's it for now. Done for the reading for the week of 4th of October till the 10th of October. That is 4th October is Monday, 10th October is the Sunday. And like I told you, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there too. That's it for now. Stay blessed, stay positive, and love you all.